Step 1. Sketch the head shape. Start with a basic head shape. Lightly draw the center guideline down the face and a horizontal guideline for the eyes. This helps you place the hair naturally around the head. Hair has volume. Don't draw it too flat against the skull. Imagine a halo around the head where the hair will sit. Step 2. Outline the hair flow. Think about the hairline and parting, center part, side part, bangs, etc. Lightly sketch the overall shape of the hair, big, flowing curves rather than individual strands. Focus on the direction of flow. Does it fall straight down? Curve around the face? Get the motion right. Break hair into sections. Bangs, side strands, back volume. Step 3. Add hair strands and texture. Now draw a few guiding strands to show the flow and texture. Straight, wavy, curly. Keep it loose. You're suggesting the shape, not drawing every strand. Add small details at the ends and vary the line weight to create depth. Use thicker lines for shadows and thinner lines for highlights or flyaways. Step 4. Base color. Choose your base hair color, brown, blonde, black, pink, anything. Fill in the entire hair shape with a flat, solid color. If you're using digital tools, use a clipping mask or multiply layer to stay neat. Use markers or watercolor for the base, and colored pencils and pens for the details. Start light, you can always darken later. Step 5. Add highlights and shadows. Think about your light source, top left for example. Add shadows where the hair overlaps, under layers, or behind the ears, neck. Highlights where the light hits, top of the head, tips of strands or curved areas. Digital tip: use a soft brush for shading and a harder brush or pen tool for sharp highlights. Step 6. Final touches. Add flyaway strands for realism. Slightly blur or smudge shadows if needed. Add a glow or rim light for a stylized look. And that's it. You've just drawn and colored a full head of hair. Use references. Look at real hair, anime styles, or your favorite artists. Experiment with styles, spiky, curly, braids, buns. Practice makes perfect. Layer your color gradually instead of trying to get it perfect in one go. I hope this helped you feel more confident drawing and coloring hair. Let me know what kind of hair you want to see next, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your feedback in the comments so I can keep making better tutorials for you. See you in the next one.